Welcome to Geek Master channel. Today you will learn trick to appear offline on WhatsApp. This will hide your last active status from other people who may look at your online profile. If you find this video tutorial helpful, please remember to like, share and comment on the video, and please subscribe to our channel. Open up WhatsApp and then tap on the menu button at the top right corner of the app. Now tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Account. Now tap on Privacy. Select the Last Seen option. Now choose Nobody from the list. This will stop everyone from seeing your online status, as well as the last time you were online. Catch to this setting is that you won't be able to see when any of your contacts were last online either. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Geek Master for more tips and tricks videos. Take care. See you next time.